So how is it going, guys, and welcome to Mood. Welcome to the series of video of the R107. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much for joining. I do hope you like this type of content, and if so, consider subscribing and joining our community. We're almost 450 passionate people that love cars, love fixing stuff, and yeah, we share some thoughts, knowledge, and our experiences while fixing. Today's video is all about some TLC, very basic TLC, but finding the right parts at the right price was not that easy at all. So throughout this journey, I want to share with you from where I'm gonna get basically the parts, and we're gonna have some footage while we change them. So let's start with the headlights. In this case, we're gonna replace both of the low beams. They were made by GE back in the day, and although I live in the USA, these are not very easy to get in normal auto parts stores. Basically, I was able to reach a guy selling those through eBay. He had a bunch of those. I just bought two, which are the ones that we're gonna be replacing. I'll find the link and share it in the description. Probably makes sense if you're interested in, stocking some. So let's do this. So last project, changing the plastic grills. I've been looking for these parts for almost a year, and every single time I was able to get them, they were broken. So before giving up, I called the dealership, and guess what? They were able to get them, not even the parts, but also the bolts. They have a lot of parts. That's the takeaway. And if you ask them for a discount, they will give it. So amazing price from the dealership, OEM part. Let's change them.
No matter where you come from, let your heart lead you through. Don't let it go. I went through heaven, I held right around but fell. I raise again. I know I'm not the best, but I'm trying. I keep trying. I keep trying. Lost my mind in the game, but I'm trying. I keep trying.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the content. Until next time, peace out.